Hey, welcome back to BoxHero. In this video, you'll learn how to view and manage your inventory activity and history using transactions and past quantity. These features help you track every stock change, review past records, and understand exactly how your item quantities were updated over time. Let's start with transactions. Transactions are the history of every change made to your items. You'll see all activity listed here, including stock in, out, adjust, and move. Let's go over what each transaction means. Stock in is used when you receive new items. Stock out for items leaving your inventory. Move stock transfers items from one location to another. And adjust stock for correcting a quantity after a count or damage. Let's walk through a quick example and create a new transaction. So we're going to be receiving items from a supplier. We're going to choose a location first. I'll go with new arrivals. For partner, we can choose one from our list, and this is just to help us track who supplied the items. I'm going to go with Urban Skin Supply. And then we'll tap on the items to select the items we're receiving. We'll go with the Belief Cleanser, maybe 20 of those. Some moisturizers. Let's do 35 of those. All right, so you can see we got two items, the moisturizer and the cleanser, for a total quantity of 55. 20 plus 35. All right, we'll tap done. And let's also add an internal note or reference in the memo field. I'm just going to put this here so my team members can refer to it later. I can also upload a file or an image or scan a barcode to this memo. For the date, you can keep the current time or tap Now to choose a specific date. You can go back a couple months or a couple days, a couple years. I'm going to go with February 15th, 26. You can also update the time. Let's just say I recorded it at 4:30 p.m. There we go. Let's make sure that everything looks good for our new transaction. Stocking in, to new arrivals from Urban Skin Supply, two items, the cleanser and moisturizer, for a total quantity of 55 units with our internal memo here. Okay, let's submit. So we've created a new stock in transaction, and that entry will appear in our transaction list. We can always confirm that it was recorded correctly by selecting the transaction to view details. So I believe it was this one for February 15th. And see, you can check who made the change. I was logged in as Peter earlier, the time, exact time it happened, and the items and quantities involved. If something needs to be corrected, you can edit or delete a transaction. And you can also filter your transaction history by date, location, item, partner, and more to find what you need faster. Alrighty, so now let's go back to our home screen. And we're going to scroll down to past quantity. Tap View Stock by Date. We'll choose a date on the calendar. Let's try February 10th. Okay. And you'll see the quantities for all items as of that day. This is helpful when you need to check your end-of-month stock, review an audit, or compare past and current numbers. Alright, so that's it for transactions and past quantity on the mobile app. If you have any questions regarding your inventory activity or history in your BoxHero team, feel free to reach out to us at support@boxhero.io. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.